Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have an after dark clean with me. I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope it gives you tons of cleaning motivation. I had a lot of laundry to do. It was absolutely crazy. I needed to clean up the kitchen after we had supper. It wasn't messy. This is like a normal routine, a normal nighttime routine for me. I know that y'all are used to seeing the house like completely destroyed, but this is how it is usually during the week or when I'm not filming a lot. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this and I hope it gets you motivated. I'm just starting here in my master bathroom. As you can see, it's still daylight out. It was actually closer to the evening time when I started doing this, and it took me a while to get it done. I had already put my rugs in the washer to wash, and now I'm just going to tidy up in here a little bit, and I'm just using some vinegar and water to clean. I've really been liking that here lately. I go back and forth with cleaning products. Bless you. I go back and forth with cleaning products and vinegar and water, and I always go back to the vinegar and water because it leaves everything feeling so clean. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be using in here for my counters and my sinks, and then I'll clean the mirrors and the bathtub and the shower and the floors. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start on that.
Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion, sinking deeper every day. And lately I am missing my reflection in every muddy puddle on the pavement, driving every thought into distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow, let it flow. The river could be rising on the mountains, climbing high enough to see the sky, to light up all the colors of its motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. The river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. No, nothing we could ever do but let it flow, let it flow.
So here we are in the kitchen, and it's not very messy. Like I said, this is a normal night for me. I made an easy meal and I just needed to clean up a little bit. I do love waking up to a clean kitchen in the morning. I don't like to go to sleep with dirty dishes and all that good stuff. Every now and then I will because life just happens, but most of the time this is my routine. I like to come in and just get the kitchen nice and tidy before I go to bed. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do right now.
I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
I have been moving a lot of my decor around, like I said, because I'm getting ready for fall. I'm ready to bring the fall stuff out, guys. It's kind of boring since we've been in quarantine, and I'm just thinking I might as well go ahead and start now. So I've been getting some stuff out here and there, and eventually I'll get that video up. But yeah, I've just been moving some of my stuff around and getting everything ready. I'm going to try to not put so much in the kitchen this year and just focus on the dining room and the living room. And yeah, keep it kind of simple in the kitchen just so there's room to work, because that's where I spend majority of my time anyway.
But baby, I don't care to win. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
So as you can see, I'm the worst about putting away laundry. I will wash and dry it, and then it just sits for a while. So I really needed to go through it all and get it folded and put away and hung up. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to speed it up really quick because it is a long process trying to get all of the laundry done. I'm also only keeping y'all on one side of the room tonight because I'm still working on the other side. We still have a lot to do over there. So eventually y'all will see how that turns out. I just don't know how long it's going to take us to get everything together to get that side of the room done.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down.
what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way.
And since it's nighttime, I do like to go ahead and just turn my bed back like this, so that way we can just pull it back and crawl right in. I make it like this sometimes, especially when it's really late, so that way we can just pull the sheets back and get in there. Yeah, and I like the way it looks too. There's so many different ways you can make a bed, and it's just up to you what your personal preference is.
You would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing.
So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, like I said, please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see y'all on the next one. Love y'all so much, and take care. Bye, guys.
Do what you like to do.